Welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I will discuss about class and style binding in the practically. So just simply I'll give an example for this bind classes syntax, object syntax. So this is the basically we can pass an object to bind class that is here. Okay, so to dynamically toggle classes, then you will show that this is the syntax, means the presence of this active class will be terminated by the truthness of the data property is active. Okay, the data property is now active. Then when data property is active, then you will show that it will be active. Okay, so you can have multiple classes toggle by the having more fields in the object. In addition, like the bind class and directive can also exist with the plan classes attribute. Okay, so given following this example like that here, and you will getting this result from data properties like that here is true or false, then it will don't show this result. Okay, so this is the basically bind classes object syntax. Okay guys, thanks for I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So see you soon in the next tutorial.